The Mine Land Rehabilitation Authority is working closely with the Latrobe Valley community to oversee rehabilitation planning for each individual coal mine.
My name is Ray Mackay. I'm the former Latrobe Valley Mine Rehabilitation Commissioner, and I'm now the Executive Chair of the Mine Land Rehabilitation Authority Board. Since 2017, my role has been to engage with the community, to work with stakeholders and to assist with the planning of mine rehabilitation of the 3 brown coal mines in the Latrobe Valley. It's very important that these assessments are done well and to actually meet the objectives of building a strong future for the valley.
Based in Morwell, our independent advice goes directly to the Victorian Government. Contact us for more information. The Mine Land Rehabilitation Authority, working with and on behalf of the Latrobe Valley community.